Today's topic on Roman numerals. In Roman numerals, there are 7 symbols, that is I, V, X, L, C, D, M. I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, M for 1000. If we convert Hindu Arabic number into Roman number, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next we transform 10 into X, 20 that is double X, 30 that is triple X, X repeating thrice, 40, XL, 50, L, 60, LX, 70, L double X, 80, L triple X, 90, XC, 100, C. Here we can see number I, X, C, M can be repeated maximum thrice, 3 times. If we write 2, we repeat 1 into 2 times. If we write 30, that is we must repeat X into 3 times, thrice. If we write 200, then C 2 times. If we write 3000, we repeat M into 3 times. Now we can easily convert VI, that is V for 5 plus I for 1, that is 6, DX double Y, D for 500, X for 10 plus 1 plus 1, that is 512. If we want to convert CXV into Hindu Arabic number, C stands for 100, X 10, V 5, that is 115. To join in the next class in Roman numerals, you have to like and subscribe this channel. Thanks.